Hey everyone, it's Ray with Treasure Booth. So I am making this video upon request. So for this video, I'm going to show you how you can have the unlimited copies text prompt pop up and then also have the option to skip a print. So for the skip print option, I believe they still will be able to email and text it out if they would like to, or you could totally skip the print and they could just retake the whole photo strip. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm on my main page. I'm actually gonna go to the text option. I'm gonna make sure that my copies text is on, so I have that on after the session. Okay, then I'm gonna go back to my main. Right here where it says print photo, I have my photo strip displayed here on the screen, but I'm actually going to uncheck this option. If I have this option completely unchecked, it's not going to print out the photo strip at all. Okay, so what I'm going to do down here is click off the print alternative. Go to print alternative. You could have multiple templates, but what I'm going to do is just re-add the same template. Let me look for my template. Where is it from? There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna choose that template. So now I have it on there. So we're gonna go ahead and press start. Wait. Okay, and actually before I press start, I'm gonna go over here to print alternative, and it says prompt user start a session. I'm actually gonna have it start at choose at the end of the session. So at the end of the session, the people are going to be able to see their picture on the previous screens, and they're going to be able to say if they want to skip the print or if they want to have it print out. So make sure it's at the end of the session. I'm going to hit OK. Alright, now we're ready to start the session. Okay, I'm working off of my laptop, so this is just letting me know that there's no printer detected and that the print alternative is on. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit start. Here's the countdown. This is me, my 4 photos. Alright, and the 4th photo. So now it's going to give me the option. Do you want to print out the picture? You would click that one, the first one. And if you want to skip, then you would go to skip. Alright, so let me skip that print. Now we could just cancel this option, and then now we would still be able to text or email the photo out, and that should be it. Alright, well, thank you. Hopefully this helped out. Go ahead and try it out. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and get back to me. Yeah, alright, thank you.